During the recent UK COVID inquiry, numerous experts insisted that coronavirus is airborne, all bar one. This is Dr. Lisa Ritchie, not a medical doctor. She was the government-appointed chair of the IPC cell responsible for guidance that all UK health workers must follow. Even today, she maintains that COVID-19 is spread by droplets despite evidence to the contrary.
For COVID-19, the predominant mode of spread is droplet and contact.
Is that still your position in this inquiry today, after all the evidence we've heard?
That's my position.
Why is this important, you ask? It's all about mitigations. If the virus is spread by droplets, then the blue surgical masks you often find in hospitals would suffice. If, however, the virus is airborne, respirators, otherwise known as FFP3 or N95 masks, would provide far better protection. Much was made of the inadequate PPE made available to NHS staff. It transpired that prior to 2020, stocks of FFP3 masks were dangerously low or out of date. By the time the pandemic hit, they were hard to come by. So what happened? Rather than admit their mistake, they downgraded COVID. This news prompted interested groups to contact the chair of the inquiry, Baroness Hallett, to insist that coronavirus be recognised as airborne and FFP3 masks be worn instead. Even the British Occupational Hygiene Society have weighed in. In January 25, the MP Tim Farron wrote to the UK government on behalf of a constituent with long COVID, expressing concerns about a lack of proper mitigations. In the government's response, they refer to one Dr. Lisa Ritchie and a view that COVID-19 is not predominantly spread via the airborne route, and therefore their stance will remain unchanged. 6 years after the initial outbreak, many believe the COVID pandemic to be over. The data, unfortunately, suggests otherwise. While we don't test for COVID to the extent that we used to, it doesn't mean that COVID doesn't exist. Instead, terms like quademic, superflu and winter illnesses are used in its place, and the NHS remains under extreme pressures. Due to the continued exposure to airborne viruses, staff shortages are commonly reported in the NHS. Based on the evidence, it's fair to say that even today, NHS workers are still not being provided with the necessary PPE. As the latest research suggests a link between repeat COVID infections with heart attacks, strokes and aggressive cancers, it begs the questions, why is there no public health messaging about this, and why won't governments acknowledge that COVID is airborne?
We bring the women and the cars and the cars out. Let's have a I'm thinking it's all over when I go out drinking.
Thank you, Marshall. Legends, well done, mate. Well done.
Seemed like a good idea at the time.
Always. Well done, Marshall, thank you. Well done, all. Doing brilliantly, well done. Keep it going.
But I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo. Every time I tried so hard and got so far, in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to.
Okay. Well done, keep going. Oh, almost there, wasn't
TV hour, don't get caught in 4-hour session, burn, return, listen to yourself churn, locking in, uniform and book, burning blood, letting every motive escalate.
Well done, keep it. Yeah, thank you, you're welcome. Keep going all the way.
For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel.